Alright y'all, here I am back in the shop. So today I'm putting a taper on some Schedule 40 round pipe. You can see them here. I'm taking the stretching long arms on them, then I'm going to texture them, and I'm going to add them into this hand drilling I've been working. So the first thing I did was put the long taper on, and now I'm going to run it through a texturing die to give it a bark-like texture. You can see the texturing die here at the spring tool, and in it, top and bottom, are just lines of weld. And you see the texture. Well, I had a tool malfunction, my friends. Right here. Freaking head broke off. This thing's pounded tons of texture in the last couple months, so every once in a while they break. Gonna do a repair with a little 7018. And we're back in action, my friends. We're back in action. All right, you guys, check it out. Fucking tree branch texture. Check it out. Working on some of this.